gotta start branding my name. I gotta do better and move on to bigger things. I listened to my mama and I stayed up out the streets. I opened up my mind so I can see all of my dreams. I put so much work in, I can spell team with a 9. They thought I was a killer when I believed that I could fly. Between me and you, there's a difference in you and I. Some things you love more be the thing that just have to die. She thought I was just a plain Jane. Started moving different, now she wanna live my bed. Seeing all this money, now she wanna get the fame. Driving all these cars, you know that I be switching lanes. I be moving fast, I'm trying to get up off my feet.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy, Cari Beach. Oh, back with another POV, you know what I'm saying? Peep the feet, by the way. All y'all niggas, you know what these is. Y'all got these green glow foes, you feel me? But hey, with a turquoise shirt, you know what I'm saying? It match. But yeah, anyway. As y'all can see, man, it's a little slight little, I'll just give y'all a little POV, but differently, you know what I'm saying? Beside driving, just cleaning my car a little bit, man. Washing Olivia, man, she deserve it. Washing her up, you feel me? She deserve to get a little, treatment. She been needing to know, look at that electric Mustang truck. That bitch so ugly. Y'all comment down below, y'all like the Mustang electric truck, bro. I'm just boo-boo. I'm talking about straight boo-boo. Yeah, man, make sure you hit that like button. I don't know why I feel like I was on live, you know. I was on live earlier before I started recording. But yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Hit that like button. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know, so I'm gonna show y'all how the whip look. I can't show y'all the full back though. But I'm gonna show y'all the carbon. I see the carbon fiber, you feel me? Carbon fiber need to be washed out of how I know she was dirty. When the wraps start getting dirty, now you know your car dirty. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see that? Y'all see that car, man? Some slight though. Slight work. Slight work, man. We got another charge over here. Cub pulled up on it at the RT. Let me know what y'all think about Cub with the honeycomb. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see how I get down, man. Trying to see how I get down, man. Just some slight. You gotta clean the tips, you know what I'm saying? If I see my car and my tips ain't clean, I mean I ain't washed it. No matter how clean it look. I ain't gonna lie, Olivia be shooting flames, so she burning the metal up. Yeah, I gotta get the other right now. Yeah, Car, another video. It's gonna be short, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be just a short video. It's just me staying consistent and just trying to catch a vlog vibe at time, man. Cause at the end of the day, we boys, man. We partners. I would say family, but everybody say that we partners. You know what I'm saying? Like that homeboy, you got that you know for not that long, but you know him for like at least about a year or two. And y'all boys just be cool as hell. Oh, we here, man. Oh, we here. I like Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? How this car sound? Oh, and he got the carbon fiber fuse. Okay. Take the info. Turn me up. Turn me up, man. As y'all can see, you know, just some slight work. A little slight work, man, on the night day, man. A little slight action. Slight water wiping action, you know what I'm saying? Peep the flag. Gotta throw it in the back, let you know you a civilized civilian in the scat, you know what I'm saying? Y'all didn't even know that. Put you some kind of USA or some kind of something that's showing that you care about the world and police in your back window of your car. Off road, they're gonna be like, okay, so Cuz got some sense. He ain't one of these lunatics. You know what I'm saying? It sounds stupid, but it works. You'll try it out. Oh, appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. The sun slight I did. I like it. Like 150. It was just something slight, yeah, the 150. I wasn't trying to go too crazy. That bitch started floating after that, boy. How fast you on one of yours?
You're my second one. My first one, I got 145. This one, 133.
Okay, okay.
So what do you think about the last call?
Oh, talking about the cat?
Yeah.
Man, kind of lame. Can I make it harder for you to get one? Telling you. Man, if I don't get a cat, if I don't get a cat by at least this year or something, I'll probably just keep this and make this one. But that's my net option. Can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, appreciate it. I like that green though. That's my favorite color. Oh yeah, you too, bro. See, car crew. Mustang nigga can't be like that. That's why we be on their ass. Y'all Mustang nigga don't know how to act, man. Y'all be trying to hate. Y'all say we be ruining car meets. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like to be stuck up and only be with just y'all kind. Look at bro with the truck. They be hard. But no, y'all know I just be messing around. They be hard. But y'all know I just be talking. You know what I'm saying? My Mustang boy. Cause I got a side skirt. Okay then, bye. But yeah, bro. I heard a chopper. I was gonna start recording, but I just made it natural, so that's why I had the angle kind of whatever. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to put the camera in their face. I've been holding my phone. You know, cause some folks, I ain't even know bro gonna speak to them. I'm trying to drive my car. I'm really trying to hurry up. You feel me? Why did I just do that? Put the same rad. I was just wiping with it. But yeah, man. I was trying to wipe my car. And cuz like he rocked with the color scheme, you feel me? Cuz like he rocked with the color scheme, man. I'm like, appreciate it. Boy, leave you look so good. I would show y'all, man, from the back side, but I can't show my tag. I don't got a little thing right now. I don't feel like doing all that. But yeah, what I was gonna do, I wipe the mirror. But yeah, y'all seen, bro, you know what I'm saying? That love, man. I should have told him about my YouTube, but yeah, it's straight. He'll see it. He definitely gonna see it, bro. Folk that be around here, they gonna see it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, man, it's just something slight. I see the video already about 7 minutes, and that just came from me talking to bro. Cause I wouldn't even probably still been talking. I probably would have been cut the camera off. But then I'd have been done wiping the car down. Now I got a vacuum, but good car crew, man. There's a water bottle under my seat, bro. I can't never get it. That baby, it's right here. Oh, there you go. I lied. I was just being lazy. I see, man. Big 392 on the dash. This is the passenger side view. What if I could do a POV from over here? Some kind of way. Like put the car in cruise control. And just drive that bitch. Y'all see though, man. Let's see how we wiping down the screen. Oh man. That's how we wiping down the screen, man. But yeah, I'm gonna really cut it, man. That ain't my bad. I'm using my eyes instead of using y'all as my eyes. I thought. You know, so I'm finna get right, man. I'm probably gonna cut this video right here for a second so I can really get down. I can't clean like I want to. While holding the camera, I would prop it up, but I need to try my phone. But yeah, car crew, man. I just want to touch base with y'all, boy, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I always do, man. Staying consistent in the best way I can. Y'all peep the fire sport, though. I gotta wipe them down, but y'all peep the fire sport, man. I gotta get my brakes painted. Soon, man. I've been playing. I know a dude that can do it for the low, and he do it pretty straight. I just gotta find the right color, bro, because this is not the average yellow. Like this is the same color. They both the same color. That's what I was going for. But yeah, man, that's gonna be an end. That's gonna be the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just something slight, man. Y'all chilling with me, man, while I watch Olivia up. You feel me? Something slight, but on this nice day, man. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, but let me get to it, man, so I can get right. I got stuff to do. But yeah, man, hit that like button, and for all my folks, like I always say, bro. I'm all over the place, so y'all excuse me for just rambling. But stay motivated, man. Stay humble. Stay hungry. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be some down times. Expect that. So I already expect the downtime. You feel down, or you're like, man, this just ain't working. I'm finna just chill out for a minute. I don't think I got the motivation for it. You already expect it, bro. And then when you expect it, keep pushing. Because when something you expect, you don't really, you know what I'm saying? You expected that to happen. So you're like, oh, I'm finna just keep pushing anyway. You feel me? So like, y'all just stay motivated, man. Keep God first in your life. You know what I'm saying? Talk to him every day. You know what I'm saying? Try to honor him the best way you can, man, and stop your bad habits. I know it's hard. It's gonna take a while. Some people take a couple months, days, years, a decade, but boy, like, you just gotta progress somewhere, but don't let it take that long though, you know what I'm saying? But we all working, man, our own way. Be a car crew, man. Like I also said, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.